Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're brand new here, welcome as well. My name is Christina and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and also a try on. I was actually going to do a first impressions on this yesterday. I tried to film a video, but when I got to editing it, I realized that the lens was dirty and I just couldn't upload it. So I decided to just completely refilm it today and do a try on instead. I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Boxycharm box. I signed up for Boxycharm back in February, around the middle of the month, and I just received my package yesterday. So yesterday was March 7th. So I don't really like that the shipping took so long, but it did come with Canada Post, so I can't really blame Boxycharm for that. And yeah, I already obviously took a look inside and I tried to film this video yesterday, so I know what's in here and I've already used the products, but I did really like what's in this box. So I'll show you what's in the box and then I'll just also give you guys a quick tutorial on me using the stuff. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. And then when you open it up, oops. It's like that. Comes with this cute little card. And then there's the products inside. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription beauty box, so you get 4 to 5 full-size products. It is $21 US, so about $30 Canadian, and everything in the box is worth well over $100 usually. On this little thing, it'll tell you exactly what you got in the box and then also the cost of everything. The first thing is the Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. I got 2 of those and those retail for $24 US, so just that alone is worth more than the box itself. And then we have the Girlactic Skin Glow Duo, and that's worth $26. And then we have Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. So this is vegan, which I love, and it is retailed at $36. And then we have the TooFaced Better Than Sex Mascara, so that one is retailed at $24. And yesterday was my first time actually ever using that mascara, which is crazy because I know everybody's used it and loves it, but I've had my Holy Grail mascara and I haven't been able to switch, but we'll see. And then the Adesse or Adesse, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is worth $24. I already used what's in here and I really loved everything. I'll just show you guys quickly. So we have the TooFaced Better Than Sex Mascara. This looks like that. I really like the packaging for this too. Then we have the Girlactic Skin Duo. So I'll just open it up and show you guys. Ignore my fingerprints already in there, but that's what it looks like. And then we have the Rainforest of the Sea palette. So it looks like on the outside. I really love the packaging of this. Tarte is one of my favorite brands, so I'm super happy about this, and I've really been needing a new eyeshadow palette. Your girl hasn't bought one in a minute. So that's what it looks like. I think it's 8 different shimmery eyeshadows, so I really like this. I used the gold one yesterday, and I'm just going to recreate that look. And then we have the liquid lipstick. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty color. It's in the shade. It doesn't say the shade anywhere. I can't find it. I don't know. It's a nude color, I think. I guess. And lastly, we have the Tula Sheet Mask. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, I guess. I've already done my base makeup, so I think I'm gonna start off with eyeshadow. I'm not gonna zoom in and get all beauty bloggery because honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing. So I also haven't done eyeshadow in a minute. Like, I really don't do like heavy makeup too often anymore. Not even that this is heavy, but I'm gonna go in with my Tarte palette first because those are all shimmer shades, so I want like a neutral base. I'm just gonna go in with like this shade right here. Sorry, my palette is so gross. Actually, you know what? I gotta put a little bit of concealer on my eye. I'm just gonna set that with this right here. I have like a little baby Kat Von D powder. I should probably just get a primer, but okay. I'm gonna go in with that nude color now that I picked up earlier. Tap it off. And I'm just going to put it on my crease. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So my camera shut off because it was overheating, so I let it cool off and I finished off what I was doing with my eyes. I pretty much just added another little bit of a darker layer, and now I'm going to go in with this palette, and I'm going to be using this really golden one called Jewel right here. I'm just going to put that on like my inner lids. I always like to get my like brush wet before I put on shimmering powder, so I'll like spray a little bit of setting spray on there and then just dab my brush. Pick it up like that, pack it on, and then stab it on my brush. Perfect. I'm all done with that, and then I'm gonna go on to the mascara now. So I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to also quickly, what's this called? Curl my lashes. I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take that as a sign that my lashes are curled enough. The only complaint I have about this mascara is that I don't really like the brush style. What I use has like a cone kind of styled brush, if that makes sense, and I really like that. I'm used to it, I feel like. With this one, I'm more likely to get it on my like eyelids and stuff. I do really like how it makes your eyelashes look though. Like, I cannot complain about that. I really can't. No, I have a hair. Now I'm going to use the liquid lipstick, so I'm just going to use my own lip liner. I'm going to use this one by NYX. So this one is, I'll put the name below because I don't know how to pronounce that. So I've lined my lips, so I'm just going to go ahead with the lipstick. I really like the formula of this. I love how it goes on and how it feels when it's on. I think I will probably repurchase this again just because I love the formula. Last thing I'm going to use is highlighter. So this is usually the last thing I do when I'm finished my makeup anyway. I'm going to put this on my cheekbones where I would usually highlight. I've already done my contour, so I don't need to worry about that. And yeah, I'm just going to use my finger because it's a cream one. And I used it yesterday. I really like this gold shimmery tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my cheekbone here. And it's like a really nice light highlight. Put it on my chin. And it smells really good too. And then I'm just going to dab a little bit onto here just to give me like a little bit of an extra. So I really like that. I think that's really pretty. It gives you like a really nice subtle glow without being too intense. But since I'm going to go for like a goldeny glow look, maybe call this like a night look. So I'm going to add a little bit of Fenty on top of this just to give it a little bit of an extra pop. I'm going to use this brush right here, and I have Fenty and Trophy Wife. I'm just going to use a little bit of this because it is super like, oh yes. Oh yes. I think I'm going to add like a tiny bit of eyeshadow just under my eyelids. And then I'm going to finish up with some setting spray. That's pretty much the look for today. I used almost everything in the box. I still have to use these, but I'm probably going to go use these tonight once I finish filming this video and once I take my makeup off. But besides that, I had a good experience. I forgot to mention though that this was the FOMO February box, so this wasn't the same February box that everybody was getting. You get the FOMO box when you order later on in the month. So that's the one I got, and I should be getting my March regular one soon. So I might film another video with that one, but I really loved everything that was in the box. I had a great first experience, and I'm really looking forward to the next month's subscription, see what's in there. If you guys want to check out Boxycharm and see what they're about, I'll link the website below and you guys can go take a look and see for yourselves. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night or rest of your day, whatever it is for you, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel to be in the loop for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.